Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIPS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. This is Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 9, today I am going to take your English first paper and our today's topic is dialogue. So let's start our class. So class 9 subject English first paper, topic dialogue. Number 1, write a dialogue between you and your friends about the importance of learning English. So you need to write a dialogue between you and your friends about the importance of learning English, and you can be given other topic also. You can write the dialogue between you and your brother or sister or your father and mother also. So at first you will write the topic a dialogue about the importance of learning English is given below. So now suppose you are Sakib and and the name of your friend is Manir, or you can also write here myself. Now look, Manir, how are you? Sakib. Now Sakib is saying, I'm fine, what are you reading? Manir. So at first you will greet each other in the dialogue. You can say hi, hello, or you can say good morning, or you can greet each other, or you can ask how are you, this type of question, and then you will go to the main point. You have to ask some questions and you have to give the answer of some questions. Like this you will continue your dialogue on the given topic. Okay, let's read. Manir, how are you? Sakib. Sakib, I'm fine, what are you reading? Manir. Manir, it's an English language reading book. Sakib, why do you read it? You can read a Bangla novel instead of it. Manir, most probably you don't know the importance of learning English at this present age. That's why you can tell me so. Sakib, sorry, would you explain it to me? Now Manir is explaining. Well, English is an international language. In every sphere of life we need English. To be a doctor, an engineer, a professor, a banker, you must learn English. Now Sakib is saying, but learning English seems very difficult to me. Manir, you are right. I think the traditional method of learning English is not quite good in our country. Now Sakib is saying, then how are you learning English? Manir, I am learning English at an English learning center near our school by some natives and foreign experts. Native means the people of this country. Now Sakib, would you please help me to have some opportunity? There will be a correction. Would you please help me to have the same opportunity? Now Manir is saying, of course I will take you there and do everything in this regard. And Sakib is saying, thank you Manir, I will see you tomorrow. So this is the dialogue about the importance of learning English. You will try to write the dialogue by yourself. You will practice it at your home. With the help of this dialogue, you will write the dialogue by yourself. And dear students, there are other 5 dialogues in this term, that means for half yearly 2021. Okay, let's read. You have to practice at home. For practice, about your preparation for the ensuing SSC examination. Number 3, this is number 2, and number 3, about your aim in life. Number 4, what you intend to do after SSC examination. Number 5, about the uses and abuses of mobile phone. Number 6, about the uses and abuses of Facebook. So there will be 6 dialogues. Number 1, a dialogue between 2 friends or someone else. It can be other person, not your friends, maybe your cousin or maybe your brother or sister. That means you will write a dialogue about the importance of learning English. Then preparation for the ensuing examination. Number 3, your aim in life, that means what you intend to do after SSC examination, and the uses and abuses of mobile phone and the uses of abuses of Facebook. So these are there are 6 dialogues in your half yearly exam, and you have to practice them. So dear students, although we will keep practicing at home, and if you have any problem or if you have any inquiries, you can contact your subject teacher. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic. Although we will study regularly and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.